Welcome to Real Internet Cash TV. It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer, and in this short video, I'm gonna share with you how you can start your own digital marketing agency with no money, right? None at all. You can get cracking today. All right, now it's very, very simple, guys. It's very simple. First and foremost, you need to tell yourself this is what you want to do. First of all, like, I want an agency. All right, it's gonna be work. I get all that. All right, I'm committed and I'm ready to rock and roll. Once you pass that, now let's get to it. Guys, there's so many different services that you can offer businesses where you don't have to have any money to get started. A lot of times people think that, you have to buy expensive course to start your own agency. A lot of people think, well, you got to buy a whole bunch of marketing material to get started with a digital agency, right? Some people say, oh, well, I need a whole bunch of ad money, ad spend to start a digital agency. To be honest with you, you don't need any of that stuff, right? All you need is some determination, some focus, and a little bit of know-how, right? So it's very simple. One way to get started is, figure out what you want to do. One of the easiest things you can start doing without, putting up any money is doing social media marketing for local businesses. Why? Because all you're doing basically is taking over or starting a business's social media and running it for them. That's nothing more than you having access to their account, and you're posting, making daily posts, weekly posts, whatever, and that's what you're doing, right? You can do that very simple, because I'm sure if you're watching this, you probably are familiar with posting on, Facebook, Instagram, stuff like that. And there are people out there who making full-time income strictly by being a social media manager, and they just post on different local business platforms and everything like that. Now once you do start making money with getting a couple clients underneath your belt, then you can invest in like an auto posting scheduler, something like Post Planner, right? You can invest in that and it makes your job a little easier. But if you have zero money to get started, you can actually start just like that. So now you're like, well, how do I get the business? Very, very simple. This is where the determination comes in at, the focus comes in. You can start local, whatever. Get on, your local Facebook, do whatever niche you want to be in, type in restaurants in Cleveland or restaurants in LA or chiropractors in Miami, whatever, right? And you want to just look at their Facebook page, right? You want to see, are they posting on a regular basis, right? If they're not posting on a regular basis, this is a great opportunity for you to message them, get in contact with them somehow, even if you got to go to their website to contact them, right? And just throw it out there. Hey, how you doing? I'm new in the area. I just started my own agency. I see that you have a pretty good Facebook page, but you're not posting a lot. If you ever want to help with that, or would you be interested in having more content put on your Facebook page or your Instagram, whatever. That's it, right? Have your pricing already in mind, right? Because when you just get started, sometimes, and you can do this, but sometimes you might, you lowball yourself. I did it a million times. Somebody might be like, yeah, I'm interested. How much? And you get so nervous, you might in your mind, you want to charge, $150 a month, but you get all nervous. You're like, $50, right? And that might actually work. But, when it's time to do the work, you're going to probably regret you charging so little, right? For your effort, but do what you got to do. But so going back to the strategy, all you're doing is reaching out to these businesses who you think, they're posting on Facebook or Instagram, but they're not posting on a regular basis. Now you could take it in another direction and look at businesses who have very little, even no social media presence, right? The only problem with that is if they don't have any social media presence, they're not running any sort of ads, they probably aren't going to be willing to pay for nothing. They're probably not going to want to pay you to run their social media, because if they have no presence, they're probably going to be like, we don't need it. You know what I mean? We good. You know what I mean? So you can go after businesses that don't have any presence, you know, online, but you probably be better off going after businesses that don't post that frequently. And believe it or not, you might even want to go after businesses who do post a lot, but they might be doing it themselves. They might not have a company doing it. So you might can step in and say, hey, I see you're posting all the time. You know, do you have someone doing that, you know, in-house? Or are you looking for somebody to run it for you? Because some business owners, they're doing their own social media and they can't stand it. They're annoyed, it's time consuming. They wish they had somebody to do it for them. Maybe they don't, maybe they think it costs too much, or maybe they don't really know where to find somebody good at, right? So that's the approach that you can take with that, guys. Another thing you can do, if you have no money, right? You can still learn how to build websites, right? Learn how to build websites, and you can offer that service to local businesses. But you might be thinking, whoa. You know what I'm saying? I said I ain't got no money. I said I ain't got no money, Earl. You don't need no money. Why? Because you're building the website. What you need to do is get on YouTube. There's tons of tutorials on how to build like a simple Wix website, or you know, a website on what's the other one? The one I use all the time, WordPress, right? There's several different platforms that you can learn how to build websites. You can just put it out there. Hey, business owner, I see you don't have a website. I'm running a special. I just started my own agency. You know, I'm doing websites for $1.99, whatever, right? Now you might be like, well, how am I going to show them? I don't have a website, right? I don't have no money. I don't have a website. What am I going to show them? You can show them examples of things that you can build for them. All right. So you don't even need to have a website. You don't have to have a website. You know what I mean? You're asking them, do they want a website? If they're like, oh, how much? What kind of website you build? You can show them samples, send them screenshots, or send them links to website that you are capable of building. Make sure you know what you're doing. You know what I'm saying? But guys, you don't need no money for that. You don't. All right. Watch some of my other videos about how you can get clients by using like a referral system, by reaching out to people that you already know to help you get clients. All right. So guys, hopefully this video helped you out. This is how you can start your own digital marketing agency with zero money. Now, to learn more about how you can get clients for your digital agency, watch this video right here.